Hello, today I'll now show you what is WordPress shortcode and how to use it. So for this we will use shortcode in WordPress's themes functions.php file. So we are not dealing with shortcodes in plugin codes. So we will show you how to include shortcode in the themes functions.php file. So let's go to the theme folder and open the functions.php file inside your theme folder, current theme folder. As you see, I wrote the shortcode function here, and below of it I declare add shortcode. So this code will activate the shortcode, and this is the shortcode function and this is the shortcode name. So let's go to the function. When we include this shortcode in the page, the data of the function will be displayed. So let's see what is in the shortcode function. Here is our function. As you most probably saw, there are some attributes in the shortcode. So here shortcode attributes function will filter those attributes, and we will proceed. As you see, there are two shortcode attributes, and specialty and short criteria. So we will deal with these two shortcode attributes. Here I use these two shortcode attributes to get some data of the table and display the records. So if you zoom it or make your screen full, you will see what this code actually implies. I will not go into detail. So basically this is our shortcode function, and here is the output code inside the function, and we are returning this variable where we put the data. So now let's go to the WordPress dashboard, and we will use this shortcode. Let's open a page. We go from there. I previously created a shortcode of page. This is the page, and I put the shortcode here, which we declared earlier, and I put a shortcode attribute giving some value. I mean that means data will be displayed by sorting with years. So this is our shortcode name. We put a third bracket, and shortcode ends with the another third bracket. So when we load the page, we will see the data in the shortcode function. I mean the output of the shortcode function. So let's load the page. Here we go. So as you see, this is the data from the table. So so this is how we are dealing with shortcode. We write the shortcode function, we initiate it using the add shortcode function, then we put the shortcode in a page like this, any shortcode attributes, and when the page is loaded, the data of the shortcode function is displayed. So this is how we can use shortcode in the functions.php file within the theme folder. In my next videos I will show you how to add shortcode and use it in custom plugin. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.